Are you wasting your hard-earned money on supplements that promise weight loss but don't deliver? In this video, we're cutting through the noise and exposing the truth behind some of the most popular weight loss supplements. From fiber-based pills to fat burners and appetite suppressants, it's time to separate fact from fiction. If you've been feeling frustrated by supplements that claim to work miracles but leave you disappointed, stay tuned. We're diving into what works, what doesn't, and why some of these products might be little more than empty promises in a fancy bottle. Walking into a health food store or scrolling through an online retailer can feel overwhelming. Every product boasts rapid results and dramatic transformations, but how much of that is reality? The truth is, many weight loss supplements rely on clever marketing rather than solid science. It's frustrating, and it's time someone held these claims accountable. Let's start with one of the most well-known supplements, Garcinia cambogia. This tropical fruit extract became famous for its supposed ability to block fat production and curb appetite. While it sounds promising, the actual science tells a different story. Most studies have found little to no significant weight loss effects, and any benefits are minimal at best. It's a classic case of a product that gained fame through hype rather than substance. Next is apple cider vinegar, another popular choice. The claims range from suppressing appetite to improving metabolism, but the evidence is limited. While some small studies suggest it might help with very modest weight loss, drinking apple cider vinegar regularly can cause side effects like digestive discomfort and tooth enamel erosion. If you enjoy it in moderation, that's fine, but don't expect it to work miracles. Forskolin is another supplement often touted for its fat-burning abilities. Derived from the root of a plant in the mint family, it's claimed to increase fat metabolism and build lean body mass. However, research on its effectiveness is thin, and the results are inconsistent. What's worse, some users report side effects like rapid heart rate and low blood pressure, making this one to approach with caution. Glucomannan, a fiber-based supplement, takes a slightly different approach by focusing on appetite suppression and digestive health. The science shows it can help with weight loss, but the results are modest. Think a couple of pounds, not a complete transformation. It's not a bad choice for a small boost, but it works best when paired with a balanced diet and exercise. Now let's talk about conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA. This supplement promises to help with fat loss, but the results are underwhelming. Some studies suggest it might help reduce body fat, but others show no significant impact. It's another one of those supplements that might offer minor benefits for some people, but isn't worth relying on as a primary weight loss tool. Green tea extract is often praised for its metabolism-boosting properties. It contains compounds that may support fat oxidation and weight loss, but the effects are subtle and usually only noticeable when combined with other healthy habits. It's a decent addition to a well-rounded plan, but won't deliver dramatic results on its own. Then there's yohimbine, a stimulant that claims to enhance fat burning. While it has some evidence behind it, the risks often outweigh the rewards. Side effects like anxiety, increased heart rate, and high blood pressure make this a supplement to avoid unless recommended by a healthcare provider. What's becoming clear is that many weight loss supplements are designed to appeal to our desire for quick fixes rather than deliver real results. While some, like glucomannan or green tea extract, have limited scientific backing, others rely heavily on flashy marketing and exaggerated claims. Instead of focusing solely on supplements, consider evidence-based strategies like eating a balanced diet, staying active, and managing stress. These may not come in a sleek bottle, but they're the foundation of sustainable weight loss. As you navigate your health and fitness journey, remember that it's okay to be skeptical. Read the labels, look for peer-reviewed studies, and consult trusted sources before spending your hard-earned money. And if you've had experiences with these supplements, good, bad, or somewhere in between, share them in the comments. Your story might help someone else make a more informed decision. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped you cut through the noise and feel more confident about your weight loss journey. For more health and fitness tips, check out our other videos. Together we can focus on what really works.